go take dance. Abi, native doctor. We are not blaming at the country now. You know, say the country now, if you make engineer go do IT for police station, not be your fault. And also not be teacher you want me before. Shebi be former Yahoo boy. Where did he not work for?
Money where we got yo, you know go finish yo. Amen.
Hold on. This boy na crazy man. Now wait I go dance to be this again. I dey come, don't worry, we go dance. I dey come. Maoga. You know, so all the musicians where they perform, all of them, they come down, court dance. Mr. Ri, iPhone 1, leg back. He don't go. iPhone 2, he call her reach 12, I be 14. Different song what they get for this country. Yeah? Different song. Where do man? How you there, man? No, not broken at the talk. How you there? My broken, they fear people. I said one guy walk out, enter where they sell shisha. He said, give me shisha. That's why one second if I got and say, I beg, where you want to sit down so that I go bring the shisha come. He said, no, I don't want to sit down. I dey rush. Put them for takeaway. Crazy people. But better things they happen. If you see many people who like football, if you like football, yeah, raise your hand. You like football. I get one guy for Lagos, he don't disturb us, die. Will they find the one want to send a con Calabar now? We need to send a con because the guy, he wala too much. So that will call it disturbing here.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not serious. I know you are a fool. So we need to send a con here. The Champions League where they play of recent, as Ronaldo scored goal, this guy won't kill us. The next one they hear that go with the beggar, the guy no grill. Go! He they run around everywhere with the whole lamb. Like say one craze. He said, let me go! As he they shout, now he climb Nepa pole. Now hope now he did. Now they bring light. As it is shocking for hope when they hear go. As he they fall, they come, we got the hear go. The next thing we hear now, I don't they go. You know, say when you want die now, your voice go they go down. As the guy land or grand, boy, he no one cry before. You know, say get some question where they go ask you, you go cry. As the guy flog or grand, boy, another guy just walk out go meet him with cool voice. Say, I beg, who score? If you see cry, why you go ask me who score? You know people they like that. We don't see person where person fall for Lagos. Crazy people after he drink. As he fall for ground, we just see a holy leg, they shout, my throat, oh, my throat. My throat, oh. We say that your leg you hold. He say, hey, as I fall, my throat call my leg. Mad people. This country, you go one normal, but you're not going to see people go normal. Lagos now don't see where conductor, they shadow passenger. My two estate. As they do my two estate in hand, you know the way conductor they do. Oh yeah, my two estate. As they do, I go tear him slap. Tell the army sorry. He say, because army we have mufti, you know. Come on, go back, Joe. You won't die for a year. Wobi, I'll cut your eye. As he do, I will cut. If you see slap. The army man just they slap only a lip. Now a lip they slap. We just boa. He reach up there, he bring format. The guy cost him. That's why they shout my two estate. The next one year now. My two estate, Spain. My two estate, Spain. That did not know say crazy people plenty for this country. As they shout my two estate, Spain. One guy just walk out, enter the bus, sit down. As conductor they shout my two estate, Spain. The guy where this I said, my brother, when you reach Egypt, drop me.
Anybody, when no one throws
you say what? Now crazy people we get. I don't talk about before I say you nothing normal. Get money for this country. See a limpo way they see so. Money where she get upon the money she get. Now see she they come out wig go. Come out week for you. 30,000 see girls. No work for this country. 30,000 see different score where we see now. Because 30,000. People forget it. See that where they call redeem. He got away wear that shuku. This is the hairdressing. This is God that beg. That lady normally her score, there's what they use them when rain they fall. She forget open them. 30,000. You need to be 30,000. You need to be like not need to be 30,000. Even when somebody gets come out, 2 girls they gossip there. If not, this I get lakpa for my score.
Prepare them.
Hey! Plan now. You want to do better now.
Prepare them. Prepare them.
Hold on. Oh, line, don't do. I go dance, they come. I just want to tutorial the thing. I'm coming. Dad, calm down now. They born you for hotel. Shout anyhow. 30,000. Boy, they do this thing well. Oh. You know, you don't do it for Abuja, you don't do it for Lagos, you don't do it for Port Harcourt, you don't do it for Calabar now. When you go do men home, tell us what we go open. If na boxers, what are they wear? I know they wear now. You need to be 30,000. Why the open mouth, my queen?
Totori me one time.
Hold on. I know if it's tutorial. Is it your boxers? Just tell us what we go open. We open this. You talk guy there not go naked. 30,000. Okay, you can go 35. Now big money. Try 50,000, you go shock. You know say God does get hunger. You go take climb table there. Who be that? I'm a guy on a joke at you. I they tell you. And I tell them many years ago, I said one day I go find. Bros, that's how they play. Nobody is ugly. We are just broke. When money touch your hand, your face go arrange. What do you want talking about? How far? You tell another Akpororo be this. Now the Akpororo when you know before. Now be this. Packaging. I check the hair. I say, fit me. Oh yeah, I carry on. If I don't reach one place again, I look another one. I enter again. Nobody, this industry, we are going nowhere. My brother, they one place. They one place. This one, they just they walk out like saying people here, they find. Not be their face in one video. It's just like I wonder why they crack joke and stand on one guy front. The guy just they look inside my nose. I know that I tell her, say, my brother, now the nose you define. What did you define? You define kata inside. What did you define? Crazy people there now we get this country. I don't tell you. I don't tell you. Crazy people. Because I start to the craze. They say, why go the craze? Say, oh yeah, God, don't bless him. He go quiet now. Story. Now so we go there. Continue to go like this. Pushing the business. Moving the ministry. I'm all God has having so. Oh, you tell me the play there. They don't slap one guy for Lagos. After the slap, he price waiting on the CEO. As I begin back, as the guy turned, he just walk over to home the second. He said, madam, give me 2 cups of beans. The woman said, na corner, they said, the guy said, na beans are they see. Give me beans. So I don't. They don't slap us for Lagos. His voice lost. The guy thought, come on, you can't do me anything. You can't. I said, give back, boy. What do you see now? Slap where they change career. They slap one guy where they sack pop off. He call another thing. That's why they shout, buy your pop off. I take it back, boy. What do you yell? Buy your ice cream. People say that pop off. They say, don't take your ice cream. They say, crazy people everywhere. They tear one guy slap. After the slap, he walk into a filling station. Call stand for queue. Any motorway buy fuel, go come out. The guy go move. He the buy come out, the guy go move. As he reach the turn, they ask him, my brother, what do you want? The guy said, I want buy fuel. They say, where your gallon? He said, lose the tank. But he said, there's self fuel for a head. You never know anything. Crazy people everywhere. Aboki don't direct Nama. They will flog cow. They pass. As they pass, he see filling station, motor go enter. They go shook something for inside the motor. After they shook the thing, come out the thing, the motor go dry speed, go. Aboki say, wow. Say one make cow, they run like the motor. Now
Are you serious?
Guys, I go, hey, Bansa, I was when I got slap you. That is your boy Akpororo. Ain't no testimony, Jabora. I know say you want to use that on pet me. But let me finish my joke because it spoil my performance. Eh? You hear me? Uh-huh. So I know call your name online and you not go say. Even burial, you not go see. Ask them all, if I use hanger, lay course. Le, ikbi. Ikbo, ita. Ako. Oh, God. You got on my Oga joke. Or else you don't go give me. So I feel cracker now. You don't give me the joke. If you tell me say nobody give me, you don't give me. You tell me say you give me, so I need to crack him. My Oga say, listen to this joke. In case it's not funny. John no say na give me. But I know say go funny. Some people like it tongues for church. If they go to church, you go know how they talk. Even when they greet their good morning, they hear lay, ko, sa, ko. Good morning, la, ta, 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 now it be morning. Good afternoon, Ricky, kato, sike, bra, ta, 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 ta. I hear one guy speaking tongues near me one day say, le, aku, ita, o, koko, aya. I said, oh, koko, bilato. He said, not rush me on my tongues, so let me speak my tongues the way I want. This man like it tongues. As they come church, the director and say, me sit down here. Usher, they tell us, say, sit down. The guy say, like. As Usher say, sit down, he say, lama, rika, le, ka, no. I don't know say it tongues get, it means say no. Now he go sit down for another place. Pastor, they preach, the guy no answer. Le, ha, ko, sa, the guy do show up, the usher come in and say, you need water. He say, la. It means say no. They leave him. Now they say offering time. You know you want to pay your offering, put in your right hand, your tithe. Put. And the church that they know they pay with cash. You can use your POS. Use your card. Now the guy bring a card, they speak in tongues. Le harder. Reka. And at 20,000 you won't give God. Le. Ako. Kika. Shuka. Put. Ra. Raka. Lakato. Press 2. You know, say 20,000 normally. It's ought to be 50. But it tongues don't enter head. As he press 2, ra, ko, se, ka, le, ko, la, de. Press 0. 1, ko, le. So to remake 3. Another one, ko, la, another one, ba, another one, ba. He forget, now he continue with 0. Rato get it. 2 million come up for your account. The tongues they go, laka, retata. Now he receive a lot. Bang, bang, bang. He they speak, he bring out the phone. Le, ka, so, ke, ra, te. Pastor say, what is that? He say, you know, say get the way you go suck. You go carry phone, go on that light. Like say the phone not get light. The guy go on that light, they looking for. First hour, hear he tongues when mix with cry. Pastor say, the demons are crying now. The guy say, hey, I go burn this church. I go burn the church. I beg clap for God also. Hey, we there yet to come play. We're going to call rock ourselves. Me, now testing. I talk and since. This picky we don't sleep since we don't carry go house. They not can go house. Finally. You not say you they stay with person. You not say they stay with person. Go house. And if you be man, your wife they beat you. Follow them. Not stress also. Now one stand up so we are native. So if the way make his announcement since, oh yeah, they go house quick. Your time don't pass. Because your wife go beat you till morning. They go house. You get one worry man. When your wife don't beat and finish, take a knock share for house. Boy! He not go fight. They don't beat him. He go call run, come out. For front of the compound, call they carry stone. They stone the compound zinc. We go back, We go back. Landlord said outside the room. Go fight. Oh, Jesus. Man, my name is Akpororo. And I'm a comedian. Sir, who you define? Everybody they laugh since you not great laugh. What happened? Okay, you came to watch the beauty contest. So as he read joke now, he start to carry sellotape your hair now. Not be fun. You can't get. I know that's how you come to. So now these guys like they look since. Okay, where your wife? You are not here with your wife. You tell your wife saying they come to call look girls. You can't look for beauty contest. See the way the man serious. This might go some price and shower.
Say I get you superpowers. I for come meet you where you go.
That's all. You see something they play for you. So say your wife gets superpower. If I meet you here, as they look the girl now slap on your high. Come and follow me. Let's go home. After you make me fat finish, they find slim girls. No, sir, that one now women they always tell men that you don't make me spread finish. Now maybe they beg any woman to enter husband's house. All the beauty queen, why they see so? Please. When it reach the time, you think we're not there for our kitchen, you know? So I be cook. You know, cook give us. You get photo. Beauty not for some kitchen, you know. He bought it. Our belly not example. Now when I want to marry, I cool down. I don't want your story. I mean, if I don't see my wife. Where you want to see her before? No, come my house. You feel not die, make her die. Come. He said for Instagram, where you want to see her? My wife, they go show. I don't understand. Now my wife, people, they complain. I go marry a fine woman like that. I go pick. I don't understand. Thank God, say God, don't renovate my face. God. Yes, when I renovate, oh God, this face in the house. So they renovate the face. Imagine, said the way I be before. I can't go marry a woman who be like me. You imagine, huh? I can't born. My pikin go look like prayer point. What be your plan? I could down marry. So men, I beg. Young boys so they young girls. You want marry. Cool down. Sheko. You get big high. Not marry a man who get big high. Or else na pikin go to see future. I get one guy for Coco now. People they say Sheko I reach a high big. If you see this guy high boy, very big. The guy go there Coco. He they see my two. It is what that people they go pay our money. So I beg, help us look village. Check out my mama there. You love Akporo scream now. Come on, bro. Oga carry 3 wicked comedians God give you. The 3 people they carry God give you, we not the force ourselves to fund you. We don't walk. Normally look me, you go laugh. And who they come for my back? He walk out, he cough, you go laugh. I'm here to make way, to open the ground or to cement the ground for my boss. Coming up, sir. And I will call him. This auntie don't sleep, go house. For some people don't look his table like full bed. Go house, he sleep, they catch you. Last joke what I go do, then I will come out. And they beg ladies, please, if you get boyfriend here, or you get girlfriend, or you don't marry, please, stop checking your husband's phone. Girls, stop checking your boyfriend's phone. Boys, stop checking your girlfriend's phone. I go explain, give you. Now they scatter house. Leave the phone alone. Mother, no, they ask me how. Now phone they use on a basket. You ask me how. Hold on.
Wanna see you with anybody you
Hold on.
jealous already.
This boy go come perform. You go crack joke now, go they play music. If you like, don't give your balance. I mean, body they shock you. It doesn't never pay you now. They never give you. Oh, and you misbehave. So please, I they advise people. Because, not be joke, my wife, any call, hey, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Stop it! Wait. One day, my phone ring. I pick I won't dodge. Go outside, go. I say, if you move. He said, where they go? I say, I won't go. Network not there. I won't go outside. I say, stay there. And they bring network. I bet they walk on. Stop there. Who is that? Now I go meet bros. Got on so. I say, bros, my wife don't do disturb me. I go do the thing. My phone. She only check my phone. Bros got on say, now that one they stress you. Put password on your phone. Now I enter password. 224488. 1212 1010. First time for my life. Why put percent as password? I had percent. 11 12 22222. I had sleep inside my dream at the year 2244. 8899. Percent. I don't know how women tell you do that thing. There's a big open phone. She don't open the phone. Who is this? Oh, you think I will know? Who is this? Ah! I meet a lipo. I said, beg, wait, I go to a lipo. Say, it is poor pattern. No pattern, the sweet. I carry my phone. In this one place, I turn like say, they run about. They sleep inside my dream at the My wife don't open up. What is this? What? Hey! I said I go do now. You better come out, go clap that way they clap. I go call the next person myself. You never know anything. You won't kill us. Thank God, sir, not funny. Thank God. That word, thank God, sir, not funny. Thank God, they don't laugh. For Calabar, they get time. When the time reaches.